gonna arrest them. My ancestors finna whoop y'all ass.
On August 2nd, 2023, officers responded to a home after receiving a report of a violent dispute between adult siblings. The caller told police he had been punched in the face and briefly choked during an argument that started over household responsibilities. As officers worked to separate everyone involved and determine what had happened, the situation quickly spiraled into a chaotic standoff, with family members refusing to cooperate and tensions escalating into multiple arrests.
They were her guests, and that's all opinionated stuff. I get it, but then she got mad enough to
She punched you in the face, you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. And what's on your neck there?
Oh, she should do more. She was trying to choke me a little bit.
Where's she at?
She's in her room right now, but she just
How old is she?
She's like 30, I want to say like 38.
Does she live with you here?
Yeah.
And this your sister?
Mm-hmm. My half-sister.
Your half-sister? Yeah. Okay. Does she have any injuries on her? Did you guys get into a mutual...
I mean, I was protecting myself, but I wasn't hitting her. I was just grabbing her hands, yeah.
Okay.
She was trying to choke me.
Basically.
Don't lie to the cops.
Okay, I'm listening. I'll hear everybody's side, I promise.
She doesn't have a
That
problem.
bathroom is 30 of them. My guests clean up. My guests clean up. Just like your nasty ass sister left with dirty ass panties in the ground and everybody saw all her unbalanced pH all in her dirty ass drawers.
Yeah, that is,
y'all embarrassing our mother. The reason why I am still here is to look after y'all grown motherfuckers and big ass, y'all little kids and grown bodies.
Okay.
Nothing is wrong with y'all. I clean the yard.
Right,
I do the yard. I clean
Hang
the
tight
house.
here. I'll go in and talk to you. I'm going to come talk to you, okay?
I don't need to talk to. Please don't come in my house. You are trespassing. Do not come in my house.
Well, actually, he lives here and he
I
called
don't
us.
care.
You wanna let me in?
I'm the master of this house.
No, she's definitely called
You are trespassing. Get out of my holy house. That's all y'all need to know. Is he a liar and he's on the spectrum? He's autistic.
She actually...
Leave me alone.
Or do you want to wait?
No, you can come in.
Brandy, how do you get the bloody lip and the scratches and the scratches on his neck?
I don't know.
He told me. I was just wondering if you had a reason.
I have no clue.
Hey, Brandy, you want to come into the
No,
living room?
I don't fuck with y'all. I don't.
Okay.
You know what y'all did to Jay Walker? I don't fuck with y'all. Y'all know who I am. Y'all got reports on me.
I don't know who you are, hon.
Yeah, you can play that game, but the police been here. They know.
Okay, I don't know who any of those. I don't.
CIA. They know.
Okay.
Yeah, I ain't crazy.
The CIA. I don't know anybody
Well, Officer Sutton. They know.
there. Okay. Why don't you get dressed?
No.
Okay.
I'm not. I'm allowed to be naked in my house.
Hi.
She's gonna be a 13.
I'm Officer Legacy with Acom Police.
I don't care.
What's going on today?
A lot. They're trespassing. Get out my house.
Can you come out here and talk to me real quick?
No, I cannot. And you're all holy ground and you got your squeaky ass dirty shoes. My ancestors finna f you up. I'm going to go finish doing what I was doing. Y'all argue, y'all don't want to listen.
Got arcs on his
Do
neck.
not walk on my f***ing carpet!
Well, come out here and talk to
No!
us.
Get the fuck out of my house! Get off my carpet! They gon' f y'all up. They gon' f y'all up. Y'all
Brandy, I told you.
Oh my God. Please get rid of these motherfuckers.
Brandy, you are under arrest, hon.
No, I'm not.
For domestic violence.
Hey, my own home?
Yes.
No, this is my house. This is my house. This is my house. Y'all being disrespectful. Y'all are being very disrespectful.
You stay here with your sister?
Yeah, he lives here.
Disrespecting my ancestors.
No,
Leave me alone. I didn't do nothing to you, mother.
I didn't clean the
Y'all
bathroom.
know it's
So,
up down
she
there
got
at that
mad.
police station.
Pretty
Y'all
much.
know it is.
I gotcha. She don't live here.
And I guess my next
I don't know. I don't know who did that.
Her hands on
Y'all
me
know.
before.
I reported it,
He's a
but
liar.
I reported it too late. I was trying to get help then, but
Do you have a key for this door by any chance?
no, it's like one of those pin doors.
Hey, Brandy. I called for a screwdriver. That's why come on out.
You're dirty. You don't want to
Got
do
all our
that.
bases, huh?
Got a knife.
Y'all got me f***ed up.
I don't have a knife.
You got a screwdriver, man?
Do not up my door.
All right, come open it up then.
It's a private property.
Brandy, come open it up.
No.
Brandy,
No.
Brandy,
no.
you're under arrest for domestic
I
violence.
ain't do nothing. You can't prove it.
He's got a big mark on his lip, dude.
Who did it? Y'all got video proof?
Okay.
I don't.
We've got enough probable
Is there somebody
cause.
else here with
That's
me?
why this is the truth, motherfucker. I am black. I'm the root. Y'all f with me. Y'all gonna see what it really do. Y'all already f up down there at that police department.
the way calling it was going and going and going.
Yeah, and 8 cops showed up and they stepped somewhere they shouldn't have stepped, and y'all being f***ed up everywhere, every step. Trying to hide it too. I'm stupid. That mother.
I called. Couldn't hear over the yelling.
Elevator, keep getting stuck. Hey, stop getting stuck. Since y'all did that to Jaylen Walker. And on his birthday, what the f*** happened?
Hey, Gerald, come on out here, but I know you got to get ready to go to work, but we're going to come on out and do a statement real quick, okay?
All right.
I know you gave me one on
You want to sign charges on your sister?
Yes.
Okay. Follow Officer Sears out. He'll have you do a victim statement. And then I'll take you down to the station. We'll get you assigned a charge. And go from there. When was the last time she went to the hospital, do you know?
She's been avoiding for a while.
She's been avoiding for a long time. She was CSS or anything like that?
I don't know.
Don't know.
Randy, can you talk? Good.
Y'all trespassing like a mother. My ancestors finna eat y'all dumbasses up. Y'all done came through the wrong way.
All right, we'll go outside and talk about it. Come on.
Y'all in trouble. Y'all in a haunted house right now. This is a motherfucking trap house. Y'all in trouble. This is God's holy trap house.
Hey,
Hello.
we're over here.
What's up?
All
right. She's 43. During the summer we're here, she's playing music. And it was, she went open the door and stuff. So I know she's 43.
Okay.
She's here with her brother. They got into, he didn't clean the bathroom. So she got mad. He's got a mark on his mouth.
Okay.
So he's willing to fill out paperwork, sign charge for domestic. She has since taken her shirt off, become very confrontational, ran in the back and shut the door and locked it on us.
Okay.
So we gotta go back and collect it.
All right.
Yeah. Brandy.
Yeah.
Brandy, you need to come out, dude.
No, I don't.
It's the police, man. You have to come out.
Yeah, it's
No,
the
I ain't
police.
did nothing wrong.
You gotta explain to us what happened with
I
your brother.
did already. I did. That wasn't good enough.
Man, we gotta open the door. We're gonna have to open it.
Then you got your panties in a bunch when I told the truth about the police and Jaylen Walker and what y'all doing.
Okay. Well, you're gonna have to open the door. We're gonna have to open it for you.
This is private property.
No, it's not, ma'am.
Yes,
Go ahead
it
and
is.
open the door for me.
This is private property.
Man, we gotta open the door. We're gonna have to kick it
We don't want to
open.
break your door. We don't want to break it.
Look.
We don't want to have to do that, ma'am.
I'm telling you, you're gonna have broken bones before the day is over.
We don't want to have to do that, ma'am.
Then don't do it.
He's got a screwdriver.
Don't do it. That's that simple. That's why I do.
Brandy.
Come on, ma'am. Open the door.
All these cops are dying everywhere.
Brandy, we have a legal right to be here. We don't want to damage your door, honey.
Y'all know why they dying. Because this shit didn't start until y'all killed Jaylen Walker.
Come on, ma'am. Open the door.
No, because when y'all violate me, my family will super violate y'all. And that's on everything. Because I'm higher ranking than Jaylen Walker. This shit y'all didn't see with Jaylen ain't nothing to compare. I am ready to die. I'm ready because I know what's going to happen. I know what's going to happen when y'all do something to me. I know.
Hey,
I
Brandy.
know what the fuck going to happen to y'all.
Let's do it. Come on, ma'am.
Brandy, nobody wants to fight with
Nobody
you.
wants to hurt you, ma'am. Come on. Open the
Leave me
door.
alone, man.
Open the door,
Leave me
ma'am.
alone, bro.
Open the door.
Back up,
Open
back
the
up.
door.
You see this baby?
Come on, open the door. Come on. Hey, sir, come get this dog, please.
You see that? It's a 3 of y'all. You even choked me. You choked me. Do you know what the great father and great mother finna do to you?
Put her on the bed,
Do you know?
Put on
Do
the
you
bed.
know what the great mother and great father finna do to you?
He's holding the.
Do you know what God's about to do to you?
What?
Do you know what God's about to do to you? Do you know what God's about to do to your ass? Do you know?
Stop, ma'am. Stop.
Do y'all
Stop.
know?
Stop
Do
doing
y'all
that.
know? Do y'all know what God about to do to y'all?
Stop.
I'm not. See, that's y'all. That's y'all.
Stop, ma'am.
That's y'all. You about to break my
Stop,
arm,
man.
bro.
Stop.
You about to break my arm.
Stop.
You about to break my arm, bro.
Wait, we just hold it right there for a minute. Hold it right there for a minute.
Man, let go of my arm, bro. Look at what you're doing to my arm.
Put two on.
Ow, man, you about to break my arm.
Then put it behind your back.
If he will stop
Stop
bending
messing
it,
around.
Tell him to stop bending it.
Trying to be as lenient as possible.
Stop bending my arm, bro. Stop bending my arm. Do y'all know what's about to happen to y'all?
Stop now.
Do y'all know what's about to
Stop.
happen?
It's over. Stop.
Do y'all know what's about to... Bro, you about to knock
Stop
your
it.
arm out of socket, bro.
Okay, just stop.
All right.
Let's get a shirt just to put over her
Hey,
head.
what's up? She's under arrest.
She's under
She
arrest.
assaulted her brother. She hit her
She
brother.
assaulted her brother.
She's under arrest for
No, she's not hurt.
Yo, y'all got her on cuss for what?
She's under arrest.
She's under arrest for domestic violence.
Get her a shirt.
Punch your brother, or Gerald, her brother, in the mouth.
Because he didn't clean the room?
Yeah.
That's what he said.
Family fight.
It doesn't matter. You can't hit him in the face. So she's under arrest.
You call the police.
She ain't going nowhere.
Call the police.
She ain't going nowhere. She's leaving. She ain't going nowhere.
You're gonna get arrested.
You're gonna get arrested too. Then let's do it.
You're under arrest, officer.
Come on.
I ain't doing nothing to you.
Then get out.
I'll punch you in your face.
Get
You're
out.
gonna get tased. You can leave.
Get out.
Leave. Suck my Alright, you're under arrest now.
Get hands behind your back. You wanna f***ing hit me? Turn over. You're gonna get turned over. Turn on your belly. Get on your belly. Get on your belly.
Get on your belly, I'm gonna give it to you again.
Get on your. I got it. Get more help. Quiet. Get on your belly. Here, ma'am.
All that shit. Y'all kids, y'all mamas, y'all daddies.
We're coming. Just put me down
Put
for a
your hands
minute.
behind your back right now.
Put your hands back.
I'm gonna taste you again.
You got one hand right here.
Put your hand behind your back.
You gonna choke me? I didn't do anything but smack your back.
You don't fucking do that.
Really? What? Really?
Talking a lot of shit. We'll hear you talking in jail.
Okay.
Get in. Let's go. Come on, baby. We're gonna walk out. Come on. Don't mess around anymore.
Not the blood of Jesus. That shit ain't gonna work for us.
You got a shirt we can put on your
No, I don't. Take me in like this. Nope, nope, don't. That nope.
Don't kick us.
Nope, don't put that nasty ass shit on me. So,
Go first. Go first.
don't let that dirty touch you. He don't even like cleaning his room. Y'all know. And they stepped on my. Like you called them and they stepped on your mama's plants. You called them. Look, they disrespecting your mom, dumbass. This is bad to honor. I hope they doing this. Y'all appreciate you people down. Y'all know y'all be getting that bomb threats. Like them coming from God. Them bomb threats coming from God, stupid. Y'all done put us. Y'all done trap yourselves. Y'all know that? Y'all in a motherfucking trap. Y'all so f***ing dumb.
Okay, hold up right there. Hold up right there.
All this goddamn blood. Y'all dumb.
Have a seat.
Y'all dumb. Trap house, never get it.
Come on, put your leg in.
Put your hand on me.
Nobody's fighting. Okay, go ahead.
Come
do
on,
it.
bring it
Go ahead,
in.
do it. I'll
Move
give
it
you
in.
that respect, man.
Let's go.
I'm giving you the respect.
it.
I'm not moving.
Bring your foot in.
You punched me in the face.
You can eat my d up.
Okay.
Get a wrap. Bring a wrap out here.
Yeah, we'll get the wrap. I got a wrap.
Put one in there. Lay on the ground. Sit down. Lay on the ground.
On his stomach.
Sit on your stomach.
Yeah, y'all some bullies, yo.
Right like that.
Okay.
Use EMS porter probe out with.
You have no police shirt?
I'm the beast. I don't need no paramedic. The paramedic gonna need a paramedic. Y'all gonna need a paramedic. Your grandkids, your grandma, your meemaw, your pawpaw, your uncle, your auntie, your brother, your sister, your nieces, your nephews, your cousins. The lynching curse has been reversed. Go ask Jason Aldean. That's why what happened on Jalen Walker's birthday, July 20th, that storm came, the lynching curse is reversed. So all y'all racist motherfuckers is in trouble. Y'all f***ing with God's crown jewels. Just like y'all did Jalen, y'all f***ed up. Y'all thought we was criminals? In downtown acting, your elevators is stuck. Shit ain't working right. Computers freezing up. Y'all cops is getting f***ed up. Y'all not reporting it. They falling ill. Y'all don't know why. Yeah, that cause God. And this is gonna make it worse. Y'all walked in God's trap house. Jalen Walker's birthday was July 20th. What happened on that day? A badass storm, just like last year on his birthday. A badass storm. More is coming because I'm higher ranking than Jalen. So it's still me or my brother because he's higher ranking than Jalen. We came here to for this. I hope you see how the sun's shining on me. We came here for this. To end all of this bullshit. Y'all not gonna keep with my people. This shit ends. This shit ends. And the motherfucking cops stepped on my ancestral plants. My ancestors finna whoop y'all ass. They gonna whoop your kids' ass, your grandmother's ass, your grandfather's ass, your wife's ass, your brother's ass, your sister's ass, your cousin's ass, your nephew's ass, your uncle's ass. I don't give a if they dead. Y'all stupid God for real. None of that bullshit.
No like training or nothing. Y'all don't do no type of. We do our best. We'll try. Y'all don't got no training. Y'all just like that. Yep. Put his helmet on.
He's just going to put him on this.
You gotta go in a cruiser. They won't.
All right.
Can't put him in a wagon. All right. There you go. Now we can grab you like this. They can't go in a wagon. You gotta go in a cruiser. They don't even know what y'all doing, man. Well, they don't know what they're doing. Yeah, we'll pull it tighter. That one.
Ready?
Yeah. You wrapped like a cocoon. It's kind of nice. You gonna be it's like a hug.
So safe. There you go. Good. Yeah.
Nice. It's like a hug.
Perfect.
You look old as shit.
I know.
And I hope you have fun cleaning my spit off y'all window.
I'm sorry, what?
I hope you have fun cleaning my spit off y'all window. Can I come out now?
I just need to talk to you real quick, okay?
For what?
About what happened.
I don't know what the happened. All I did was tap that fucking ginger on the fucking shoulder over there and he tackled me to the fucking ground. I didn't do shit to him.
Okay, do you want to talk to me?
No, I don't want to talk to you. I want to get out.
You gotta sit down. How old are you?
I'm not telling you that shit. I'm not telling you that shit. Oh, now y'all all coming over here, right? That's funny as shit.
You want to?
Bring the ginger over here, bitch.
You want to talk to me at all?
No.
Okay.
I don't want to talk to any of y'all. It's hot in here, so I'd like if you keep the window open.
I'll get it for you.
Old ass.
Midnight Raver, please don't let me down. How you doing, sir? Sergeant Donahue. Midnight Raver, you wish to speak to me? Please don't let me down. Sir. Midnight Raver, you wish to speak to me, sir? Please don't let me down. Midnight Raver, please don't let me down. Midnight Raver.
Alright, man, we're going to get you inside here. Alright?
Alright.
I look scared as hell. Come on.
Come on, man.
Well, the fuck I got me red. Come on.
Yeah, hang on, brother. We're going to put this on you. You made reference to the rule on the spit. I don't want the guy say nothing. Y'all hear her. I hear her. I advise y'all to listen to you.
By the end of the incident, what began as a domestic violence investigation had expanded into a series of arrests involving several members of the household. Police charged the woman with domestic battery and resisting arrest, while her brother's friend and another individual were also arrested after allegedly confronting officers and resisting during the incident. As with all criminal cases, these charges are allegations unless proven in court. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and law enforcement encounters.